Hello, welcome to our virtual Web Connect on Engineering Student Services offered by the Cockrell School of Engineering. My name is Amy Beebe and I am the Student Program Coordinator for the Women in Engineering program. I'll be speaking throughout the presentation, so be sure the volume is turned up on whatever device you are using. Let's get started. Engineering Student Services are support programs provided by the Cockrell School for you. All of these programs are designed to support your journey through your undergraduate career. We'll go through most of them in this presentation. Some we talk about more in other videos, so be sure to check them out. The Women in Engineering program is here to recruit, retain, and graduate more women within Cockrell School with the ultimate goal of advancing gender equity in engineering. We are here to support our women and provide opportunities for them to network, create community, and help them persist through their undergraduate career out to industry or whatever other next steps. We are currently at 30% women representation within Cockrell School of Engineering, which is higher than average but still not reflective enough of the 50-50 population of Texas. That 50% is our goal. We are part of the Cockrell School of Engineering's student services structure. We are not a club or an organization in which you have to pay dues or attend specific kinds of meetings. Watch our virtual Web Connect for more in-depth look into what we do. The Equal Opportunity in Engineering program, EOE for short, is our sibling program. Their mission is very similar to ours with a focus on underrepresented ethnic minorities. They serve all underrepresented populations within Cockrell School of Engineering, in which women also fall under. Also like us, they offer many different types of support services for students, ranging from tutoring, leadership and professional development, research, and student organizations. In the Cockrell School, Engineering Student Life houses our 85 student organizations that have cultural, professional, social, academic, and recreational focuses. There's an organization for every interest. One of the easiest ways to connect with other students is through joining a student organization, and you will be introduced to many of the groups at orientation and also in the fall at our Gone to Engineering event the day before classes begin. Companies value the skills our students gain from their organization involvement and provide many of our student organizations with funding and support to do things like build an electric vehicle and race it in an international competition, build a rocket from the ground up, travel to conferences, host a hackathon for other students at UT, and more. The organizations provide not just social opportunities, but also academic support and career development. Spoiler alert, we are a Tier 1 research institution. That means there are many opportunities for you to get involved in research. Most of these programs are going to be geared towards students in their second year, as first years will still need to develop and learn some of the skills that labs are looking for. WEP has GLUE, graduates linked with undergraduates in engineering, for students in their second or third years. A student is paired up with a grad student, one who volunteered and wants to have an undergraduate help them with their research. It is a program designed for students who have never done research, an opportunity for them to get their feet wet to see if research is something that they want to dive deeper into earlier in their undergraduate career, or if nope, not interested and can move on to focus on other things. Students can also get involved in research on their own by doing their own research into what their professors or other faculty are involved in across campus and reaching out to see if they are looking for someone to add to their lab. Opportunities are out there. Students just have to put in the effort and the initiative to find them. In today's global economy, and with engineers working in diverse industries around the world, it is important to gain the experience one can only get by studying abroad, from learning new ways of communicating to new ways of practicing engineering. Our International Engineering Education Office is where our study abroad engineering courses are housed. IEE offers dedicated programs for engineering students. They are credit-based and count towards your engineering degree. Some students go abroad for a semester or even a year. A popular way to study abroad for our students is a Maymester, which can range from 4 to 6 weeks in the early summer, and most of these include courses taught by a UT professor just in another country. There are also scholarships available for studying abroad, and often the cost of programs abroad are less than or equivalent to the tuition at UT. IEE dedicates a lot of time into preparing students for their study abroad experience, as well as sharing out all of the opportunities for scholarships, as they do not want funding this experience to be a barrier to our students. You can do anything and everything with your engineering degree. Obviously, you can work in industry as a practicing engineer, but you could also go to law school or medical school, business, or even engineering graduate school. Engineers are trained to be analytical and logical thinkers, which translates into all kinds of fields. WEP hosts many different career workshops for our students to learn more about the many opportunities available to them as engineers. Everything from networking and small talk to elevator pitches and resume building. Cockrell School of Engineering also has the Engineering Career Assistance Center, otherwise known as ECAC. They connect students and employers for internships, co-ops, and jobs after graduation. ECAC coordinates on-campus recruiting, including interviews, career fairs in which over 400 companies come looking specifically for UT engineers, information sessions, and job postings, as well as offers individual career counseling and workshops for students, helping them to develop resumes and job searching skills. They completely focus on finding jobs for our engineering students. Here's our contact information. Don't hesitate to reach out to ask questions or to get connected with the current student in your major. Be sure to follow us on our various social media accounts too. Check out the other videos in our virtual Web Connect series, as well as videos from our students answering some pretty important Life at UT questions. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope to see you on campus over the summer for orientation.